Well, hello and welcome to another resort here at Walt Disney World. I am staying at All Star Movies, and this is a value resort. I'm going to be covering a value resort, a moderate, and a deluxe. Different style and type resorts that are available here at Walt Disney World. I do recommend staying on property when you come to Walt Disney World for many reasons. We'll talk about those. And here we are at Disney's All Star Movies. We are checking in at All Star Movies. This is one of the value resorts here at Walt Disney World on property. This is one of their rooms, and it is a basic, it's got all the things you need. We've got your fridge here, coffee maker, storage, TV, got a little desk space or counter space, and drawers and cabinets, USB plugs, those are always important. And this room has two queens. So you've got your queen bed that's here. Then during the day, if you want, you have this table sitting spot right here. But then this is gonna pull down, and I'll show you that. That's a Murphy bed. So this room sleeps 4. You've got this door here that shuts off to the bathroom. So let me show you the bathroom. So we've got our sink, and I love the mirror. The mirror is so nice for when you're getting ready. It's got a light on it. It's awesome. So anyway, so we've got a closet here for storage. Okay, and then in the bathroom, so then this door shuts. So you've got a door that shuts here and a door that shuts here for more privacy, and people can be getting ready and still shower. The bathroom, here we go, tub shower. And they also have this nice thing here. So this string pulls out and you put it on the other side, and then you can hang up your like swimming suits right here. And then let me show you from this direction, the bedroom here. And again, this is at All Star Movies. They have All Star Movies, All Star Sports, and All Star, let's see, Movies, Sports, and the other one is All Star Music. I don't know why I couldn't remember that. So anyway, just wanted to also show you that by the bed, they've got more plugs and USB stuff, which I really appreciate, having that extra stuff to use. And just Disney touches, cute, simple room here at All Star Movies. And we are in the Fantasia building, and I'll show you more about Fantasia building. It is a preferred room, and it is closer to like the food court and the pool. And one person. Look at that strength. Look at that, how cute is it? Look at how cute. Huey, Dewey, and Louie. That's adorable. Okay, and you can see the space here in the room. You can still walk around the bed. And now we've got the Murphy bed all set up too. And I wanted to show, so the bed here, you can also put your luggage underneath and store it. So that is a nice feature of these rooms as well. When you check in, make sure you get a map of the resort, no matter what resort you're staying at, so you can see kind of where everything is. So right here you can see this is the main hall where they have the food court where you check in, and then there's the pool, and we are staying in building Fantasia, which is a preferred room. And then there's other rooms. There's like the Mighty Ducks and the 101 Dalmatians, Love Bug. So there's different buildings. So make sure you grab a map so you know where you're going. And we're gonna go do a little exploring. Look over there's the Love Bug. Can you see the Love Bug? That's the Love Bug building. Cute. We're gonna start over here and take a look at the Love Bug buildings. I am a child that grew up in the 80s, and I love the Love Bug. So this is really cute. We're staying over here in the Fantasia building, and I'll show you more about that. But these are all outdoor buildings, so your room faces outdoors. And look, there's Herbie. All right, so this is one of the buildings here at All Star Movies. So the theming is going to be based around, obviously this movie is the Love Bug. Look how cute. There's Herbie over there. So these two buildings over here, Fantasia and Fantasia, both of them are preferred rooms. So they're going to have you closer to the pool and to the food court and the lobby. So when you book a preferred room, you'll be closer to those things. This is the Fantasia building. This one right here, look how cute. The stuff from the movie. And here's more of another Fantasia building. And we're gonna head this direction towards the pool and the food court. Here's the Fantasia building. And right in front of the Fantasia building is the pool. They've got life jackets. If you need life jackets, they've got towels for you. And then that building with the stars on it, that's the main lobby. We'll go in there in just a second. Here's the big pool. They do have two pools here. This is the main pool. And again, it's between the Fantasia building. This building is a Fantasia building, and that building is a Fantasia building. And then it's also centrally located right over here by the food court and the lobby over there, that checkered building, or the star building. And they have games here, lots of places to lay out. So there's the pool area. And always by the pool area, you're gonna see all the things that are available while you're here during your stay. So these are some of the activities that are available at this resort, and there's always resort activities going on. And this is right here by the pool. Over here they have an outdoor kind of like bar restaurant. In here we're gonna go in there, that's the lobby. And then again, this is right here in front of the pool. And then here's a directory. So this is great to show you kind of where all the rooms are, which rooms are preferred, which rooms are closer to like your food court. So this is your Toy Story, Fantasia. This is where the food court and all the stuff is, and the main pool. It's right here. And then your two Fantasia buildings are the two that are closest to that. And then this is where you're gonna get picked up by the bus. There's the arcade. Okay, and we're gonna come over here and I'm gonna show you guys the food court first. One of the really nice things about staying at a value resort is they have these food courts. So there's lots of options as far as eating, what you can eat. Let me show you what they've got here. But this is great, especially if you're like a group or your family and you're looking for somewhere to stay. The food court is awesome because there's all these different options. Everybody can get whatever they want. We actually ate lunch in the food court before our room was ready. Let me show you that, and then I'll show you the entire food court. Got several choices. We've decided we're gonna go over here and get some pasta. Get some pasta for lunch. Chicken parm. One tip, especially if you're staying at a resort, they have refillable mugs. So these refillable mugs right here behind me are $22. Over at the machine where you fill up the soda, each soda is $5 a pop. So I'm gonna be here all week. I got the refillable mug and it's totally gonna be worth it. So grab refillable mugs if you're gonna be at a resort, and you can fill them up at your resort. We've got our chicken parmesan with Alfredo and a breadstick. Okay, Ashley got a Coke, but she paid for the cup, which is $5. We paid for the refillable mug, which is $22, and we can use it the entire time we're here. So if you're gonna be here long enough, definitely get the mug. We got a banana cheesecake, and this is chicken parm with marinara sauce, and that's penne with meatballs. So like for instance over here, they've got pasta and pizza. Over here they have more hearty meals like your entrees, like a braised beef, chicken, salmon, shrimp. Okay, they have fruits. Over here they have lots of different snacks. So like if you want to get something for breakfast or a snack in your room. All sorts of drinks. Okay, and then they also have like prepackaged stuff. So like if you wanted a ham sandwich, turkey sandwich, okay, kids turkey sandwich, salads, fruits, yogurts. So that's a great option. And like I said, there's lots of options in here. This over here is burgers, hot dogs, French fries. Over here you've got just specifically the desserts. And at lunchtime we tried this banana cheesecake. It was good. So anyway, so yeah, here are all your desserts. And then I mentioned also about the refillable mugs. Make sure you grab one of those. But it's really nice here to have a food court with all these options. And then they've got the condiments, your silverware, and plenty of places to eat. So I love the theming in here. Like, check out the chairs. They look like film strips. So all the resorts have a theme. And here is All-Star Movies. And everything is themed with movies. Over here is where you're going to fill up your sodas, drinks. They even have a mobile order pickup over here. So that's a great option. But I love having a food court right here on site. Then you're going to look for the sign that says Walt Disney World Transportation. Let's go figure out how we get to all the different parks from our hotel. And you're going to come right out here and you're going to look for the signs depending on the park you want to go to. So up here you'll have a board that'll tell you when the next bus is coming from, going to which resort. And these are all the places it'll take you. Here we go. Here's the bus for All-Star Movies. So you'll find the line and hop in. So these are the different locations people are standing in line for Disney Springs or Animal Kingdom or Epcot down there. And this is right here in front of the resort. And as you walk back into the lobby, there also is a gift shop right here that has merchandise, all sorts of souvenirs, plenty of things to look for and buy. And here's the lobby where you checked in. So again, everything's all decorated like movies. You can also check in online ahead of time. You don't have to stand in line. So keep that in mind. There's a place for kids to watch little cartoons while you're checking in. Just really cute. There's bill services. So right here when you check in, they have buttons. So if you're celebrating anything, you can grab a button. They've got maps. So all the parks maps to this resort. Very nice. Right here as you're checking in at All-Star Movies. And when you're checking in, they will hold your luggage if your room is not ready or the day you're checking out. Good morning. It's bright and early from the bus stop here at All-Star Movies. So I wanted to talk to you just real quick about the bus situation and kind of timing. So whatever time early entry is, so let's say today early entry is 8:30 at Epcot. We left our room at 7. Leave your room an hour and a half before early entry so that it gives you 20-30 minutes to get in line over to a park through security, and then it gives you another 20-30 minutes to get lined up, and then they'll let you in a little bit, through the gates, and then you're ready to go at rope drop early entry at 8:30. So anyway, all of this takes time. So that's why we recommend an hour and a half leaving your room before early entry, and because you never know when the buses are going to be here, how full they're going to be. Wanted to show you how to see what time the next bus is going to be here. So they have these little boards out here outside of where the buses are, and just like I said in the app, it is now 7:15 and the bus is here for Epcot, so we're gonna get on. Bus just pulled up for Hollywood Studios. We are here at Epcot this morning and we're here for early entry. To watch my early entry Epcot video, click on the link here. Bus transportation is included with your stay at a Disney World resort. So make sure you check here to see which direction you're supposed to go to grab your bus and go back to your resort. We are back in the food court here at All Star Movies, and I wanted some protein, so I got the chicken, roasted chicken, potatoes and green beans. Let me show you. And I'm of course gonna refill my soda with my refillable mug that I got the first day. We got roasted chicken, green beans, mashed potatoes, and gravy. And I think this is gonna be really good because I'm very hungry. Good morning. We are here at our resort, and today is moving day, and we're also going to the parks. So we are here bright and early. We are dropping off all of our luggage here at bellhop, because we are going to transfer. They will transfer, see all of our luggage right there. They will transfer all of our luggage for us to our next resort, which is another Disney resort. So when you're staying on property at Disney, you can have them transfer your luggage for you. And that's complimentary, so it's included with your stay. So we are transferring to our next resort. So when we're done at the parks, all we have to do is go to the next resort. We don't have to come back here, get our luggage, and then transfer it. So very nice perk about staying on Disney property. Are you ready to book a room at this resort? Well, let me help you save money. Use the QR code on the screen or call my travel partner, Getaway Today, and mention Magical Tour Guide for deals and room discounts up to 30% off. I hope you found this hotel review video helpful. I have more Walt Disney World Resort videos coming soon, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. Until next time, have a magical day.